Hello for this. So as requested, here's my meat pie recipe. Wallahi kuna ta magana meat pie. Okay, here's the recipe. So in a bowl, I'm going to mix some flour, salt, curry, add in some vegetable oil and water. Mix this until you form a soft dough. Let it rest and then make the filling. For my filling, I'm going to fry some onions, some ginger, pepper mix, my minced meat, salt seasoning, paprika, some curry, garlic powder and thyme. Stir that very well, add in some water and more onions. Stir and cook until it's dry and your filling is ready. Set it aside until it cools down completely. So I'm going to roll my dough now. Roll it to be flat and then cut it into tiny pieces and then roll again until it is very thin. You don't want a thick dough. Add in your filling, secure the side with some water and close it. You can do this manually if you don't have the pie cutter. So here I'm just going to fry this on hot oil until it is beautiful golden brown. Of course, you know you are doing the right thing when your meat pie is floating in the oil and not sinking to the bottom of the pot. Okay? And it's going to have the small, let me say, pimples on it. So guys, this is it. Thank you for watching.